Hey everyone, it's Anne. Today we're making riceless protein noodles. This is an impromptu recipe to show you simple solutions to fix a thick mixture and to answer some common questions for all of my keto noodle recipes. Using a high-speed blender, add in the same amount of liquid as my other keto noodle recipes. To the container, add in 2.5 cups of water followed by half a cup of liquid egg whites, a total of 3 cups of liquid. Next, add in the egg white powder. Add in the sodium alginate, sea salt, and xanthan gum. I've increased the amount of xanthan gum to see if it will produce a firmer texture. Notice I do not have the blender on while I was adding the ingredients. This is okay too. Just start blending on low speed to mix the ingredients and then increase it to high speed. Check the mixture from time to time. If it's too thick, add in some more water. In this case, it was too thick. The liquid egg white and increased quantity of xanthan gum made the mixture a lot thicker. Avoid adding too much water. Start by adding 1 more cup of water followed by another cup, a total of 4.5 cups of water used. The friction of the blades will cause the temperature of the mixture to rise, and this will result in a very warm mixture. Pour the mixture into a bowl. At this time, there will be many air bubbles. Cover the bowl with saran wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour to see if the bubbles will rise to the top like the other recipes. After 1 hour, the air bubbles are still present, so I don't really think it's necessary to refrigerate after the mixture is blended for this recipe. You will get some bubbles in your noodles though. At this point, it looked more like a paste and it's a bit thicker than the other noodle recipes. It shouldn't be so thick that it cannot be extruded from the bottle. Prepare a calcium bath by adding 1 tablespoon of calcium chloride or calcium lactate to 7 cups of water. Today, I will be using calcium chloride. The calcium chloride will sink to the bottom, so stir well until it's completely dissolved. Hold the bottle with one hand and squeeze the bottle to extrude the mixture, while the other hand is stirring the calcium bath in a circular motion. Do not touch the noodles at this point. It is very soft. It needs to stay in the calcium bath and have full contact to firm up. When it has been in the calcium bath for at least 5 minutes, you can check on it. I hope that you will succeed in making this recipe as well as my other keto noodle recipes. Remember to just add more water to the mixture if it's too thick. And if the noodles do not form in the calcium bath, add a bit more calcium chloride or calcium lactate. These noodles are best served after it's been kept in the calcium bath overnight in the fridge. It needs to have full contact with the calcium bath. If thicker noodles are made, it will take longer to set the mixture inside. Just keep the calcium bath refrigerated and it will solidify. Don't forget to soften the noodles with warm water, baking soda, and lemon juice or lime juice before use. There is a video on how to do this, so I'll link it in the box below. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to Keto Asian Flavors. See you again next time.